Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Mascara Monday video. So this is going to be revolving around the Essence Volume Stylist 18-Hour Lash Extension Mascara with Lengthening Fibers. So I have it pulled up on Ulta here. So it says Unlimited Lash Extension. The Essence Volume Stylist 18-Hour Lash Extension Mascara transfers the best hairstyling trends to your lashes. The special braided design of the cap has never been seen before. Enriched with lengthening fibers, this styling mascara provides an 18-hour long-lasting volume effect and ensures fully extended lashes. The fiber-releasing brush has the perfect shape to reach even the smallest lashes. So that's all it says about this. So it says it's supposed to hold it for 18 hours, it's supposed to be lengthening, and it's supposed to hold the curl. I have used this mascara in the past. I remember that I do like it, but it's been a while, so I don't remember exactly like what I liked about it, how well it wore on my lashes, like all those kind of things. So I think what I'm going to do is put it on today, and then by the end of the night, I think I'm going to do a like update showing you how long I've had on the mascara and how it's worked for me. It is kind of already 2 o'clock here, so I don't know how long I will have on this makeup, but just for like the length of time that I am wearing it, I will update you guys on what it looks like. So we're now a little closer up. I just wanted to show you guys a closer look at the packaging. So this is what it looks like. It's a purple tube, and then it has this like wicker, like, what do you call that? Not wicker, but like the braided like wicker baskets, you know what I'm talking about? It has that like design on top. This retails for $4.99 at Ulta. And you can also get it on essence.com. So this is what the brush tip looks like. Nothing too big, but not like super skinny or anything. Okay, so I already have like pretty long lashes. Like, not to toot my own horn or anything, but my lashes are already pretty kind of long. My lashes are already kind of long. So we'll just see what this does. I haven't curled my lashes or anything. I wanted to just see what this mascara would do to it. So here is one coat of the mascara right here. You can already tell a difference between my lashes. My left lashes already look a lot longer and of course darker than my right lashes, but like you can really tell like if I look to the side. So that is one coat. I'm gonna go ahead and add another coat right now. And just like a little tip for applying mascara, I found it over the years. I have messed up so much and gotten mascara like on the top here or like even down below. Just a trick is like hold your mirror, like instead of holding it like right up next to your face, like hold it a little bit down, and when you're applying your mascara, like do it like this, because then your lashes are down but you can still see like what you're doing. Instead of having it up here where you're going up and then the brush is more likely to hit your eyelid and stuff like that. So just like a little trick. And because my eyelashes are so long, I found that this is like definitely a helpful trick for me. So the mascara isn't really like clumping up, which is a good thing. Sometimes I do like a clumpy look to it. So here is what the mascara looks like. So left side versus the right side, I think it's pretty noticeable difference. It definitely did add some length to my lashes. There isn't much volume, but it didn't really claim to do that. I'm a person who likes more volume, but you know, I like the length too. Okay, so this is what it's looking like on both of my lashes. I think it looks really good, definitely very lengthening. So I'm just gonna add to the bottom now. I try to be careful when on my bottom lashes just because I feel like my bottom lashes can get out of hand pretty quickly and then it looks really weird. So I'm just going to try and go fairly light, but still, you know, applying some. Okay, so that is what the mascara is looking like. I think it looks really good. It's definitely very easy to apply. This does say it has lengthening fibers in it, and I've tried some fiber mascaras in the past that were really painful to put on my lashes. Like they felt like they were scratching it every time. You know what I just realized? I don't have on a lipstick. I look kind of weird. We're gonna add my favorite one as of late. It's a little late to be adding a lipstick, but that's fine. So like I was saying, I tried out ones in the past that were really painful. Like when I was putting on the brush, like it just felt really scratchy and it irritated my eyes. I had no problems with this one. The brush feels pretty nice. It's definitely not a super thick brush, so I felt like that was easier for me to apply the mascara without getting it everywhere. Also, the little trick that I did tell you guys about is also helpful in not getting the mascara everywhere on your face except for your lashes. But yeah, I think it looks really good. definitely did lengthen. Like I said, I do have kind of longer eyelashes, but I feel like even this one made them look a little bit longer than they are. Not like anything crazy, but for sure a little bit longer. But yeah, I'll just let you guys know how it looks at the end of the day. Okay guys, so it's now 8 o'clock. I know it hasn't been too long since I put it on because I did put it on around 2 o'clock. So it's been like 6-hour wear. But I still did want to show you guys what the mascara is looking like after 6 hours of wear, just because I'm ready to take my makeup off right now. I am tired of it and I'm ready to go to bed. Okay, so after 6 hours of wear, this is what the mascara is looking like. Still on, as you can see. It really hasn't done any like smudging or flaking, and where I normally get smudging is like on my bottom lash line, especially in the corners. It'll come out and then just like go down my face and it's really annoying. But it's looking really good so far. I feel like it's kept its curl for sure, and it's still looking good, long. Yeah, I mean, this is what it's looking like. Let me know what you guys think down below. But thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this, let me know down below. Let me know if you appreciate these Mascara Monday videos or if you would rather not know about them. Also, let me know if you have tried this mascara, if you like it, how you would compare it to your other ones, like what do you love about it, all the stuff. But again, thank you so much for watching my video. It means the world to me and I really appreciate it. I hope you guys are having a blessed day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you guys in my next video.